not enough tickets to Papua. I know y'all probably wonder why I am not in Papua, but chat, I promise you, honest to God, chat, my flight was at 7:15 and it just got canceled. It just said that, it said like the tickets just,
They didn't sell enough tickets.
yeah, chat, they didn't sell enough tickets. So chat, they canceled the whole flight because there was not enough tickets to Papua. So I was like, damn, so I guess I gotta start a stream. I can't just not stream today. So boom, I was already in Yogyakarta. And chat, if y'all boys still want me to go to Papua, chat, the next flight is like the 23rd, y'all. That's when the next available flight. The next available flight for Papua is the 23rd. So chat, let me know. So chat, let me know if y'all want a part 4 to Papua. Chat, I ain't gonna lie. If this stream goes well, bro. If this stream goes well, and I'm like chat, and I'm like walking good, you know what I'm